How to fix your Google Chrome is working very slow on your PC wherever you were trying to sign up or do anything on your Chrome. It's working very slowly and you're getting a slow speed here. For this, you should go to your application manager on your PC, that is about Google Chrome, and simply open the account setting or application setting on your browser. You should simply check all the buttons here, and you can also delete this application or open the file location on your browser. Now, this is the browser in front of you. I will simply click on my laptop setting and check the application, that if my laptop is lagging or if there is any RAM issues in my laptop or if there is any network problem in my network app here. So let me just check all of these here, and I will select Chrome in my installed application manager on my account. I will simply click on the modify button, and now you will see that this is refreshed and it is the Google Chrome available here. I will simply have an option to uninstall and then reinstall this browser on my device. After doing this thing, what you have to do is make sure that you have connected a better Wi-Fi network connection with you and you're getting full strength Wi-Fi network. Then only you will be able to surf faster or get fast speed on your Google Chrome whenever you will use it. So this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching such updates and reviews like this.